Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize ClickBank as a payout destination for your business. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize ClickBank as a payout destination for your business, begin by logging into your ClickBank account. Navigate to the account settings section in the main menu. Look for the Payment Information tab and select it. You will see options for payout methods. Choose the option for bank transfer or PayPal, depending on your preference. If you select bank transfer, you will need to enter your banking details. Provide your bank name, account number, and routing number. Make sure to double-check for accuracy to avoid any issues with payouts. If you prefer PayPal, enter your PayPal email address in the specified field. Next, you will need to verify your entered information. Click on the option to save changes to store your payout method details. You might receive a confirmation email regarding the new payout method. Follow any additional instructions provided in that email for verification. Once verified, return to your ClickBank account. Check the Payment Information section to confirm that your payout method is now listed. It may take a few days for the authorization process to be fully completed. Keep an eye on your email for updates or notifications from ClickBank regarding your payout status. Once authorized, you will be able to receive payouts directly to your chosen method. For any questions or concerns, consider reaching out to ClickBank's customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.